Hello everyone, welcome to your English first class of class 4th. I hope you all will be fine. Students, today in this video we will complete exercises of lesson number 9. Okay, so let's begin our class. Exercise A given on page number 48. We write the following sentences using personal pronouns in place of the words given in color. So Dr. Ramesh is a doctor. Dr. Ramesh lives in my neighborhood. So how you will write this sentence? Dr. Ramesh is a doctor. Now here again Dr. Ramesh is written here. We have to write in place of Dr. Ramesh write he. He lives in my neighborhood. The next sentence is Vinod is a sports person. I want to meet Vinod. Vinod is a sports person. I want to meet him. In place of Vinod, write him. Now next one. Question number 3. Rekha is a good singer. Rekha takes part in cultural programs. So Rekha is a good singer. She takes part in cultural programs. In place of Rekha, write she. Rakhi is a housewife. Rakhi cooks very delicious food. So Rakhi is a housewife. She cooks very delicious food. Mahesh and Ramesh are intelligent students. Mahesh and Ramesh always stand first in the exams. Mahesh and Ramesh are intelligent students. They always stand first in the exams. So in place of Mahesh and Ramesh, write they. Now next one is Kavita and Anita are sisters. I met Kavita and Anita yesterday. Kavita and Anita are sisters. I met them yesterday. Seventh, Archana is the daughter of Mr. Amit. Archana wants to meet Mr. Amit. So Archana is a daughter of Mr. Amit. She wants to meet him. Next sentence is Sumit is the son of Mrs. Asha. Sumit wants to meet Mrs. Asha. Sumit is a son of Mrs. Asha. He wants to meet her. Naresh drew an excellent painting. Sumita also drew an excellent painting. Naresh and Sumita drew many excellent paintings. So Naresh drew an excellent painting. Then Sumita also drew an excellent painting. Now in place of Naresh and Sumita, write they. They drew many excellent paintings. Now 10th question is Naveen and Neeta are my classmates. Naveen and Neeta helped me in my studies. I shall meet Naveen and Neeta tomorrow. So Naveen and Neeta are my classmates. Now in place of Naveen and Neeta, write they. They helped me in my studies. I shall meet them tomorrow. Now here again, in place of Naveen and Neeta, you have to write them. Okay. Now exercise B, you have to complete this exercise in book only. And neatly you have to do this work. Exercise B, point out the personal pronouns in the following sentences and tell for what they stand. First sentence is, there were windows all around the hall, but they were all locked. So here the personal pronoun they is used for windows. Now next one is, Ram had taken out his purse out of his pocket. He was looking in it uneasily. So he for Ram and it for purse. In the third sentence, the boys went onto the roof to catch a kite. They saw it was stuck among wires. So they for boys and it for kite. Karina bought her bag and laid it on the bed. Her for Karina and it for bag. The horse fell down and broke its leg. It's for horse. Okay, now open page number 50. Exercise C. Write the correct form of pronouns in the following. First one is, we hit as many sixes as them. Okay, here they or them, they and them is given here. You have to write the correct pronoun, that is them. Deepak and Dash were present at the party. Deepak and I were present at the party. He is as good as me. Nobody but he was late. There is not much similarity between you and Dash, between you and her. Sixth one is Dash is my dog. Right here, it. It is my dog. Tinu, Dash, you are a lazy dog. Tinu, you are a lazy dog. Rinky and Dash are best friends. Rinky and I are best friends. Okay. Now last exercise D. Write the appropriate pronoun to replace the colored noun. As you can see here, colored nouns are given here. You have to replace them with the pronoun. Mr. Sharma is a teacher. So write he in place of Mr. Sharma. He is a teacher. The flower is beautiful. So it is beautiful. For the flower, use it. Then the in place of flower, we will use it. Next one is the cup is on the table. It is on the table. Fourth one is the woman is running. So write she in place of woman. She is running. Fifth is the cat is under the table. It is under the table. The little boy is sleeping. He is sleeping. So for this little boy, we will use he. The men are walking. They are walking. The computer is old. It is old. The ninth one is Kavita is reading a book. So in place of Kavita, write she. She is reading a book. The librarian is angry. He is angry. Okay. Now Vijay is a carpenter. Write he is a carpenter. In place of Vijay, write he. The chair is broken. It is broken. Okay, it for chair. So these are your exercises of lesson number 9. Now you have to complete all these exercises in your book and then learn these exercises. Okay. So this is all for today. Thank you.